Alright, hello and welcome to another sound tutorial. My name is Vlad, and today I want to show you how you can take a sound and make it seem like it's coming from another room. Or if you have a scene taking place outside of a club, how you can make the music seem like it's coming from inside the club. Now for this effect we need two main ingredients, an EQ and a reverb. Now I have two examples I want to show you. One is music and one is a piece of dialogue. Let's start with the music first and make it seem like it's coming from inside of a club. Alright, so that's obviously very much in our face. So let's take an EQ. And what we want to do here is to suppress the majority, well, all of the high frequencies and the majority of the mid frequencies. The reason why is fairly simple. When a sound travels through a wall, the wall prevents most of the frequencies passing through, except for the bass frequencies and some of the lower mid frequencies. I'm sure everyone's kind of intuitively aware of this. But we just need to find a way of recreating this using an EQ. For that, we want to select the high cut filter or the low pass filter. However, it's called in the equalizer. But let's just hear the difference as I make the adjustment. Okay, that's pretty decent. And what we want to do, at least I like doing it, is to cut a little bit of that low end as well, so as to not blast our speakers off. Because it could get too muddy. Now that seems pretty okay to me. So as you can hear, it already sounds pretty decent. But EQ is not the only thing. When a sound travels, it bounces off different surfaces, and the longer it has to travel, the more surfaces it will bounce off. And that's the echo that we can hear, or reverb. Now if we imagine that the sound has to travel from inside of a club through the walls or the ceilings, if it's in a basement, and it has to reach you when you're standing outside of the club, it's going to bounce off a lot of different things. It's going to bounce off the walls, it's going to bounce off the street, it's going to bounce off the cars that might be parked nearby, off the windows. It's, there's a lot of reflections going on there. And what we want to do is sort of simulate this with a reverb. The good thing about this effect is that you can use practically any reverb that comes included with either Pro Tools, like in this case, or with Premiere Pro. I think there's some decent reverbs for you to choose from. But there's a few adjustments that we want to make to the reverb, because as you can hear at the moment, it sounds like the sound's happening in a giant bathroom, which is not what we're going for. So watch me adjust the sound as I decrease the room size, I decrease the reverb time, and I adjust the balance toward the early reflections. Because when it comes to reverb, the early reflections are the initial bounce off points, the initial reflection points, whereas the tail is the sustain of the reverb. That's how long it's going to take before it dies out. But in this case, we don't want the tail too much. We want mainly the early reflections. So let's listen. Let's cut a bit of the high frequencies. Okay, let's hear the difference now. So as you can hear, the music is much less in our face, and it really seems like it has traveled through a certain length of space to get to us. So that's the first example. And now I want to show you how we can take dialogue and make it sound like it comes from another room. This is my friend Ainsley sharing his infinite wisdom.
What we're supposed to assume that humanity and the human race is the smartest thing in the whole of the universe. It's so narcissistic. It's
I do agree. However, we're not here for politics. So again, let's first cut some of the high and mid frequencies.
what we're supposed to assume that humanity and the human race is the smartest thing in the whole of the universe. It's so
Cut some of the lows.
It's what we're supposed to assume that humanity and the human race is the smartest thing in the whole of the universe. It's so narcissistic. It's what we're supposed to assume that humanity and the human race is the smartest thing in the whole of the universe. It's so narcissistic.
Okay, that sounds pretty decent. Now, the reason why I'm boosting the mid-range, the lower mid-range, is that sometimes, especially in small or medium-sized rooms, there's a build-up of mid-frequencies due to the reflections coming off the walls. But our job is not done until we apply reverb. So let's again hear this without any adjustments. It will sound like a bathroom, so that we don't want that. Watch me as I adjust the reverb again. So decrease room size, decrease reverb time, and focus on the early reflections.
The whole of the universe. It's so narcissistic. It's what we're supposed to assume that humanity and the human race is the smartest thing in the whole of the universe. It's so narcissistic. It's what we're supposed to assume that humanity and the human race is the smartest thing in the whole of the universe. It's so narcissistic. It's what we're supposed to assume that humanity and the human race is the smartest thing in the whole of the universe. It's so narcissistic. It's what we're...
Okay, that sounds pretty decent to me. So let's pan this sound to the right.
What we're supposed to assume that humanity and the human race is the smartest thing in the whole of the universe.
And let's hear
So narcissistic. It's
the dialogue with and without the effects.
what we're supposed to assume that humanity and the human race is the smartest thing in the whole of the universe. It's so narcissistic. It's
Well, there you have it. So that's how you make a sound seem like it's coming from another room. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.